Even though I am not present today, I'm there in spirit and send you my love and blessings. From my heart, may the road rise up to meet you. May the wind be always at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face, and the rains fall soft upon your fields. And until we meet again, may God hold you in the palm of his hand.
All the plains went. It would be you. Stops broadcasting, just making drinks instead of plans while the record player's blasting. I sing it would be you and only you. We might not have forever, no time for taking chances. It would be you and always you. In my arms, if the sky turns black, if the markets crash, you should check your mom's house, then you should come back. 'Cause when it all goes down, I want you by my side. We could stay.
I, Brad Kehoe.
Take you, Kailey Green.
Take you, Kailey Green.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
I promise to stay by your side.
I promise to stay by your side.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
In joy and in sorrow.
In joy and in sorrow.
Through the good times and the bad.
Through the good times and the bad.
I promise to love you without reservation.
I promise to love you without reservation.
Laugh with you and cry with you.
Laugh with you and cry with you.
Always be open and honest with you.
Always be open and honest with you.
And cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
And cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
I, Kailey Green.
Take you, Brad Kehoe.
Take you, Brad Kehoe.
To be my wedded husband.
To be my wedded husband.
I promise to stay by your side.
I promise to stay by your side.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
In joy and in sorrow.
In joy and in sorrow.
Through the good times and the bad.
In the good times and the bad.
I promise to love you without reservation.
I promise to love you without reservation.
Laugh with you and cry with you.
Laugh with you and shed one tear with you.
Grow with you in mind and spirit.
Grow with you in mind and spirit.
Always be open and honest with you.
Always be open and honest with you.
And cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
And cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
I give you this ring.
As a symbol of my love.
As a symbol of my love.
That I have chosen you.
That I have chosen you.
Above all else.
Above all else.
I give you this ring.
As a symbol of my love.
As a symbol of my love.
That I have chosen you.
That I have chosen you.
Above all else.
Above all else.
Kailey and Brad, from this moment forward, you will never be alone. You will carry with you the love of another person, giving you a completeness and renewed lightness. May your life together be immersed in love and excitement. May you strive to enrich each other in every possible way. And may you work to bring the peace you find to this world. Having pledged their fidelity to one another, to love, honor, and cherish one another in the presence of this gathering, and by the authority vested in me, it is my honor to now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
think of Kailey, she's the closest thing I have to a sister. I grew up as an only child. I'm not very good at sharing, but I was willing to share with Kailey when I met her. And I think her and I found a really good bond early on, partly because you've heard of a lot of the grief that her 3 older brothers gave her. It was a survival tactic in the Green household that we had to band together. And we had a lot of fun doing that.
Thanks to Brad for jumping in, so to speak, to our family. We appreciate you and love you dearly.
And then, to top it off, a short time later, shows up to a family golf outing in flip-flops, carrying my mother's borrowed golf clubs, and shot the best round of the day. And from that point on, I said, this guy's got it.
But that's the type of person Kailey is. She's the sweetest, nicest, most patient person we know. And we are so excited to welcome her officially to the family.
And as I've had the pleasure of getting to know Brad, he stayed on brand. He very much is that person. He comes into the room and you can see Kailey light up. You can see Kailey show up in a different way that they're good for each other. And I think Kailey does the same thing for you, Brad.
And we're so fortunate that our son has been welcomed into the Green family as well. So here's cheers to Brad and Kailey Kehoe.
May you have a lifetime of wonderful in-between moments of love, and congratulations, and not 2020.